Hello there, Kevin from K-Tech Services here. Today I'm going to be talking about the replacement of your Y bearing shaft on your red wide angle cat frame driver from Melco. Some people have reported that some chattering noise in the up and down motion of the cat frame driver, and let me demonstrate that. So basically it's kind of rubbing on that. With the assistance of K-Tech Services and Melco Engineering, Melco has come up with a replacement with a linear bearing to make things a little bit more smoother and stuff like that. So let's get started. So basically, to remove this, just get your 4mm wrench and remove both of the 4mm bolts on the left and right side, and just take those off and put them in the tray. Just lay them on the tray there, and then remove the other one. And voila. Okay, so then put that down, then grab the shaft, wiggle it a little bit till it comes off. Okay, and then just so you just know, that is the sleeve bearing. That's basically that would be on your driver. Just put that off to the side. Grab your replacement linear bearing shaft and wiggle that on and bring that onto it. Grab one of your bolts with the washer on it and go ahead and thread it. Don't tighten it all the way down, just kind of thread it a little bit, and then grab the other one to replace the left side. Thread it, and before I tighten them down and stuff like that, I want this kind of edge to be straight, and I'm just gonna just like that, and then hold it, and then tighten it down, and then tighten down, and then snug them afterwards. They do have to be pretty snug. Okay, and voila, that's it. Now as I move it, nice and smooth. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps you, and thank you for watching.